Hi, welcome to my demo of weavy AI workflow builder clone. So here is the pixel perfect recreation built with nextjs, TypeScript, React workflow and Google Gemini API for LLM extraction. So let me walk through the complete experience. So starting with the landing page, as you can see, I have tried to make it exactly similar, including the smooth animation and dynamic hero section. And these are all the sections present here. Hovering this tools helps you to identify what it's done. Here it's the parallax effect. This is the footer. Now in the navigation includes the links to all the feature, and clicking on the start now or sign in button redirects you to the sign in page. Here authentication is done. Clicking the sign in button takes you to this Google sign in page, where click after clicking continue with Google, it will use the Google OAuth authentication, and successfully after authentication redirects me to the dashboard. Here you can see all the workflows will be listed, organized in a clean grid or list view. Let me create one new file here. So once the new file is created, you can see this is the workflow builder with collapsible sidebar on the left, and here the title can be renamed, and all this data is synced with the database. So here are the three node. First is text node, image node, and LLM. So also I have included the sample workflows, that is simple LLM test. If you click on it, it will load it. It is basically a simple uh, workflow. If I click on the run, it will use this Gemini 2.5 flash, and this it will take the system prompt and the user prompt from the text node and give the LLM response. Also you can see here it is task button. It shows all the running LLM nodes in the task manager. If there are multiple nodes, it will multiple LLM nodes running, it will show here running and their status. So how the outcome has come here, you can see it is the response of the LLM. Also next is the product listing generator. If I click on it, it load the workflow that is required in the assignment. Also there in the bottom you can see it is the select mode is turned on, where you can select each node, and if you want to move the space, you can click on the palm mode and move the area. Also undo redo button is there. Like if I move, now I have to go to the select mode and move this text node here, and if I click undo, it will retract its path to where it was. Also redo is there. Now let me upload the images here, so we can run this LLM and see it is working or not. I will upload the image of an projector. So I have uploaded all these three images and its product description and the system prompt as it, and that is the model is a product analyst and analyze the product very well. It is written there using the Gemini models. Also in the drop down you can see many more models are loaded, but for now we will use the Gemini 2.5 flash. If I run this, you can see in the task manager it is running. Also for the next node, it after the product analysis done, using this text node, three text node, Instagram, Amazon, and SEO node, SEO data will be generated. So now the task manager shows the model has completed running. Now we can run this LLMs one by one. We can run all these three at once. So all the three are there. So let me move it down. So these two are there. These two are completed. One is still running. Yes. So all the three tasks are completed and it is listed here. You can see all the data is present in this text node. Also there is a zooming feature from zoom into 100, zoom to fit. Also with the mouse you can zoom or zoom out, and this is the mini map which shows all the text node location in a one view. Also control plus save this workflow in the database, and also autosave is present. Now going back to the dashboard, here you can see three new files are there, three new workflows. You can see them in list view also and grid view also. Now for organization, there is a new my file section, which here we can create a new folder, and inside this folder you can create multiple workflows, so we can organize and segregate the data properly. Here I can create new file. If I go back to the dashboard again, inside folder 1 you can see one file is there. Yes, so right clicking on the any folder or workflow files, you can see this option coming like open in new tab, duplicate. Like if I click on duplicate, it will duplicate this workflow, move from one folder to another folders. Like in the root I can move this file, then we can rename this workflow. All these data are also saved in database, or we can delete this. Let me also, this open navigation button is working. We can navigate back by clicking on the folder which we want to go. Like we can delete this workflow here, it is deleted. Also search button is also working. If I write product, yes, now I will log out, and this was all from my side, and the clone and the assignment is completed. Thank you.